All right, so I'm up here on our covered patio above the fireplace with my skull hooker, big hooker, where I hang my Utah elk. And one of the things, the wind really blows out here, and skull hooker's designed to have tons of options on angles and displaying it exactly how you want, typically for indoor use. And this arm rotates if you want it to look right or left. Outside with the wind blowing, didn't want it blowing all around, so here's a little tip if you want to use this outside and are worried about wind blowing your mounts around, is make sure you cover the bottom hole where the arm goes in. There's a top and a bottom one. Cover it with tape and then squeeze some epoxy down in there. Fill it up to the top of the canister and then move the arm to get it in the exact position that you want, and then let it dry, and it's not going anywhere. Little bit of wiggle movement maybe, but it's not going to blow all around. We've had some tremendous winds up here, and I thought, oh man, this elk head's coming down. And it's worked great for a year and a half. So if you want to use the skull hooker outside and don't want it blowing all around, that's just a little tip on how to get it in a fixed position. You still have all the adjustments here, up and down, to get the angle right, but it's not going to blow around left and right.